Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Rajnikant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rajja Btech. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about that how you will going to generate the QR code for your YouTube channel and your social media accounts, for your websites also. You can generate the QR code very easily. So let's see that how you will going to generate the QR code for your website, mobiles, and everything in a step by step. First, I need you to just go to the any website and whatever the website where you want to just bring your customer to the particular link. So that link you have to be first find foremost. You have to copy that link and then next to go to the Canva. In the Canva section, so there is one thing is called app. Click on the apps. So when you click for the apps, so just little here it is a concept called here one is app is there Gen QR. Just click for the Gen QR and use the existing. Okay, click for the using new add customize size, and generally QR code size is 1080 ratio, width and height 1080, and Excel. Enter the details and just click for the create new design, and you have whatever the link that you have copied. This is my YouTube link, so I want to create the QR code for my YouTube channel. So here I'm just copying the complete link, and just here is the QR code. So you can select the which kind of template that you want. So short link is there, is also be there, and QR code is also with it. So for that I need about design, and I'm pasting my QR code here. My link is here, and once you click for add to design, so instantly you added the design. No? So you can add the background as well, any background, and if you specified any image also you can be add. So I have a YouTube channel now. So basically what I will going to do, I will going to add my YouTube so type for the YouTube. So just select any photos are there for related to the YouTube. Okay, so this is I will add it for the background, replace the background. So on that I have a QR code of this. So if this QR code, if I want to make more effective, just click for the select the background image and click for the edit image. So when there is a concept called blur in Canva, so select for the whole image and increase the intensity for the approximately that based on your requirement. So now how it exactly seen, just you have created successfully. Just click for the share button and download. So just download option should be in a PNG format only, and here is how you will going to be create the QR code. So like this you can going to be generate the QR code for the mobile number also, and for your Instagram also, and for the WhatsApp also, and Telegram also. Just what the thing you have to do, just open to the Google and type the link, whatever the link is there, and copy the link from there and just paste here. Simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys find this information is more, this video is fine for you, the more informative. So just hit the like button, and just if you have any doubt, drop in the comment section. I will definitely answer for your questions.